Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, so happy Friday, and it is April 4th. So this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, the pound did make a pretty strong move to the downside. To me, it definitely still looks like it's missing a potential wave four. It looks like a one, it looks like a two, and then a three. I still think there's a chance that this might end up doing something like this for like a wave four, and then potentially up again for a wave five. Now, I have been working on my higher daily time frame analysis, and I do see an alternative here that this is actually a wave one right here because that's definitely five waves. This right here is potentially a pullback wave two, and then we have a one, two, three, four, five of wave three. If this is the end of a wave three, then we potentially would make a wave four, which would likely take out this low, and then we would probably go up and make a wave five, which would likely take out this high. And that would be the completion of a five-way pattern on the daily time frame, probably just a wave one of the huge uptrend on the monthly. I don't really know if that's exactly how it's going to play out. I mean, we have to be very cautious because it could just make a pullback and just keep on trending up because the trend is your friend and we don't really know that it's going to do that. But something to definitely keep in mind. So, anyways, going down to the sort of time frames, I'm definitely still looking for logs. I definitely am looking at Fibonacci areas for areas of support. If we do get a nice Fibonacci bounce and a nice push to the upside, I would definitely take it. I think there's a good chance that we will get at least one more push up for a wave five. Today is non-farm payroll news too, so we should expect to see some volatility out of that also. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.